You've heard the term Pan-Africanism. It sounds powerful, maybe even a little complex. Is it a political movement, a social theory, a historical artifact? What if I told you it's a powerful blueprint for our future, built on a few key ideas? Welcome to the Mac Jetson channel. Today, we're breaking down Pan-Africanism for beginners with 5 key principles you need to know. For centuries, people of African descent have been systematically divided by oceans, by colonial borders, and by narratives of inferiority. Pan-Africanism emerged as the intellectual and political response to this fragmentation. It's the simple yet radical idea that the freedom and prosperity of Black people everywhere are interconnected. The first and most fundamental principle is unity and solidarity. This is the understanding that our struggles and destinies are linked across the globe. This was the driving force behind the early Pan-African Congresses, organized by figures like W.E.B. Du Bois, which brought together Black intellectuals from Africa and the diaspora. Principle 2 is self-determination. It means Black people and African nations have the right to govern themselves, free from foreign domination and coercion. This principle fueled the wave of African independence movements in the 20th century, led by giants like Kwame Nkrumah and Julius Nyerere. The third principle is the active reclaiming of our history and cultural pride. Pan-Africanism insists we look to our glorious past to build our future, countering the racist lies of a people with no history. This is seen today in the Know Your History movement and the push for the repatriation of stolen African artifacts from Western museums. You can't be politically free if you are economically dependent. Principle 4 is collective economics. The idea that we must build and support our own financial systems and trade with one another. This is the spirit behind the African Continental Free Trade Area, AFCFTA, and the movement to support Black-owned businesses globally. Finally, Pan-Africanism is not just about the past. It's about Principle 5, building a liberated future. It's a forward-looking vision of Black people thriving, innovating, and defining their own destiny. This principle challenges us to imagine and create a world where Black people are not just free from oppression, but are leaders in technology, science, and culture. So there you have it. Pan-Africanism isn't a mystery. It's unity, self-determination, cultural pride, collective economics, and a vision for a liberated future. It's a framework for building the brighter future we talk about right here on this channel. If this resonated with you, do two things. First, subscribe so you don't miss our deep dives into each of these principles. And second, let me know in the comments, which of these 5 principles speaks to you the most? The conversation starts now. This is Mac Jetson. Let's continue to build.